Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to download Roblox on PC. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up your web browser and just go to roblox.com. To begin playing, choose a game of your liking, such as Bayview. Go and open it, and then all you need to do is go and press on the play button just like so. And it's going to go and say Roblox is now loading, and it's going to go and say you need a new app to open this Roblox player link. To download Roblox, all you have to do is wait for the download prompt. Once you receive it, click on the link provided to begin the download and installation process. Keep in mind that the download location might vary depending on your browser. If you can't find the download file, go to your File Explorer, navigate to the Downloads folder, and double-click on the Roblox installer and to start the installation process. Once you've done that, the installer will initiate the configuration process for Roblox. After the installation is complete, a message will appear stating that Roblox has been successfully installed. You can click OK and proceed to join a game by clicking Join or Play on any Roblox game. The game will then start loading, and you will see a message that says, Starting Roblox. Please wait for a few moments while the game loads. Once the loading process is complete, the game will open, and you will be able to play Roblox. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.